Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the iced caramel latte from Starbucks with the salted caramel cold foam. So this is a really good drink. I love the iced lattes from Starbucks because they're kind of like an iced coffee, but you can get them really flavorful like this. This one is caramel, so there's caramel syrup in it, as well as the salted caramel cold foam. I also get my drinks with light ice so that you get a little bit more in it. A little pro tip there. But this is nice. It's got a little bit lower calories than some of the other caramel drinks. But whenever you add caramel to a drink, it's going to increase the calories usually because caramel is just pure sugar. So usually when you add caramel, calories are going to go up. But the iced caramel latte doesn't have as much of a hit from the increase in calories. Some of the other caramel drinks like the caramel macchiato, they got a lot more going on with them. So they get a little bit more calories, but this keeps it kind of low and nice. So I'm gonna get right into this. Excited. Yeah, that's really good. Tastes like their other iced lattes, but get a nice sweet caramel taste afterwards that's not too strong, just a nice light amount. I don't know, it's really nice. It's not overpowering like a caramel macchiato. That's gonna have a lot more caramel flavor kind of going on with it, whereas this is nice and smooth and light feeling. Also, the salted caramel cold brew is going to be a little bit stronger tasting than this one as well. Cold brews usually are kind of a stronger tasting coffee. It's just brewed overnight. So the iced caramel latte doesn't have that same strongness. So it's not going to be as strong as a caramel macchiato. Not going to be strong as a salted caramel cold brew. But the caramel iced latte is going to be nice and sweet and light. So this is like on the far end of the spectrum, whereas the other ones are a little bit more intense with their flavoring. This one's nice, gentle, and light, and it I find to be really good. So I'll have one more sip, then I'll give my final review. Delicious. I really like that drink a lot. So anytime I get a latte from Starbucks, I don't know. I usually get the vanilla one, but the caramel one is just as good, I think. So I would give the iced caramel latte from Starbucks, I'm gonna get it a 10. It's really flavorful, good, and it's, as I mentioned, a lot lighter than some of the other caramel drinks out there. So if you want to get your caramel drink fix without getting all the extra calories that some of the other ones bring, this would be the one to go with. Without having it too strong a caramel, it's still just enough to be a good, tasty drink. So I love the iced caramel latte. Go try it out. It's a good drink. I said I like it just as much as iced vanilla latte, so I like vanilla drinks the most, but this one is still really good because it's very light, so go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.